the Cabinet and the National Security Council present, members of the Vetting Committee on Appointments of the National Assembly, the Attorney General designate, the Cabinet Secretary designate, honored guests, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Your Excellency, this state ceremony is convened for the swearing in and administration of the solemn oath of office to the newly appointed Attorney General and Cabinet Secretary for East African Community Affairs and Regional Development. The swearing-in ceremony honors the constitutional requirements set forth in Article 152(4) of the Constitution as read together with Article 74, which stipulates that a Cabinet Secretary assumes office by swearing or affirming faithfulness to the people and the Republic of Kenya and obedience to this Constitution before the President and in accordance with the third schedule. And for the Attorney General, it says that before assuming a state office, as Article 174, acting in a state office or performing any function in a state office, a person shall take and subscribe to the oath or affirmation of office. Sir, following the presidential action of effecting the nomination of the Attorney General designate and Cabinet Secretary designate, the National Assembly conducted approval hearings for the nominees on 9th August 2024. Subsequently, the National Assembly considered and adopted the report of the Committee on Appointments on 14 August 2024, approving the two for appointment. Thereafter, on 14 August, the National Assembly, in accordance with the Public Appointments Parliamentary Approval Act, as read together with the National Assembly Standing Orders, transmitted the certificate of approval granting parliamentary approval for the appointment of the two. The state appointments are notified through a special issue of the Gazette Notice, published as notices number 10346 and 10347 of this year. Your Excellency, with all the applicable constitutional and statutory requirements for the appointment of the Attorney General and a Cabinet Secretary having been fulfilled, this state ceremony is therefore properly convened in law. Your Excellency, the first state official to be sworn into office will be Your Excellency's appointee to the office of the Attorney General. Upon taking her solemn oath of office, the appointee will become Independent Kenya's first female Attorney General. Sir, as a consequence of the mandate of the Attorney General as the principal legal advisor to the government, the appointee will, by virtue of this office, become a member of the Cabinet, the National Security Council, the Judicial Service Commission, and the National Council on Administration of Justice. With Your Excellency's kind indulgence, permit me now, sir, to call upon Ms. Dorcas Agik Odong Oduor, SEEPS, the Attorney General designate of the Republic of Kenya, to take her oath of office. Karibu.
I, Dorcas Agik Odong Oduor, being appointed as the Attorney General of Kenya, do swear that I will at all times be faithful to the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, and uphold this Constitution of Kenya and all other laws of the Republic, that I will well and truly serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of Attorney General, that I will undertake to hold my office as the Attorney General with honor and dignity, that I will be a true and faithful counselor to the President for the good management of the Republic affairs of the Republic of Kenya, that I will not divert directly or indirectly such matters as shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my duties, and committed to my secrecy, except may be required for the due discharge of my duties as Attorney General, and that I will perform the functions of my office conscientiously and to the best of my ability. So help me God.
Your Excellency, in culminating the day's ceremony,